Hi, good morning, guys. So basically, today we'll be designing the interior of a kitchen. Yes, we'll start our interior designs today. So basically, first things first, like we've always done, we'll use our rectangle tool to draw the base. So we want to change this to rectangle tool. Then we start from our origin. So let's just do a 10 by 10, 10 meter by 10 meter. Yep, and offset. That is not our offset, so that is our push and pull. So we'll just offset to take out the wall, and then we'll bring up the wall by 3 meter. This done, I will be introducing a section cut tool. So we'll be adding our sections cut so that we can see from one angle. So we'll be putting that. So that's what I want to do right now. We'll go to our tools, then we'll go to section plane, and then we add that this way. So this is the first section. I will just move it inward using my move tool. This, select my move tool, and then move it a little bit inward. Okay, so what this does is that it gives me a point of view so I can see what is inside of the space that I've just done. So we'll start by doing our cabinets and yeah, that's pretty much it. So we want to have a sort of cabinet from the top here that extend escape. So where's my ruler? Take my ruler from the top of this place. Then we did 3 meter. I want to have a 1 meter cabinet from the top downward. Okay, so I will just use my rectangle tool, take it from my point of intersection and then drop this here. Then I'll do the same thing. So we are not having a cabinet here, we are having a full cabinet. Let's just do this. We have a half cabinet this way, and then a full cabinet, that's our refrigerator space here. So we just pull and push this 1 meter outward, 1 meter, this 1 meter outward. So we have that. Then we'll have sort of like on the ground here. So this is also almost like a meter upward, 1 meter upward. Escape. I click on my rectangle to take it from there. Then I place all the way here. Same thing I do here. Then I pull it out. I can just type 1 meter, but then I'll just use this as reference. I pull this as well and use this as my reference. So I might want this to come out a little bit more than 1 meter. So I'll just do 0.25 because I already did 1 meter. So that will be a total of 1.25 meter. And we want to have a sort of center table here. So we are doing freehand basically. We're doing freehand. Uh, Put our center table here and then we move it up by 1 meter. Yep. So this is basically let's bring this out where we would have our refrigerator. I think this is it. So it's now left for us to cut into sections and we'll cut this into section. Yep. And then we had some sort of materials to it. So I want to have a tabletop, like a marble top on all of these areas. But before that, I want this cabinet to connect with this so that I have a full cabinet on this side as well, like I did on the other side. So I'll just draw this, yep, and then pull this out. Yeah. So first off, let's take this cabinet for instance. We want to divide it into three segments. So divided it into three segments, and the down segment is going to be a part of this. While this, we're going to divide. So we'll select, click on our select to divide this as well into three, and then we'll divide this into two. Yep. So we select from the endpoints all the way, all the way, all the way, and all the way. Okay. So we'll give it a sort of depth. So we'll use our offset tool for that. We'll offset it by 0.05, 0.03, I think. That is good. 0.002 is okay. Just want to show the depth of the demarcation on this. So we'll do that here again. 0.02, enter. And then we do same here. 0.02. Yep. And we push this inward. You know, we did 1 meter when we're doing this. So we can sort of, we already know that the depth of this is 1 meter. So we can sort of do 0.9. And then we are sure that it's not going to pull to the other side. 0.9, 0.9, 0.9. Put this as well as this. Okay, I think we'll pull here. So on the top here, we just want to divide this into three. Good. And then we pick the edges. So we sort of have an open cabinet here. We want to have another one here from the top here, which is going to be open. So we can just come here. We already know our midpoint. Since we're doing freehand, we want to divide this thoroughly. I think let's just scroll out, you just scroll back to scroll out. We're stuck in the face. So this is not what we want. Ctrl Z, place it properly, pick the center point, come here, pick the center point. So we're good that way, and we can now divide this, select this line and divide it into maybe let's say 5 equal parts. Yeah. And then we just Ctrl Z. Let's divide the top one into 5. Just type 5 and enter. You have your 5 equal parts. Then you select, you draw on a straight line. You draw on a straight line, on a straight line. Yep. So we want to give it depth, because if we don't give it depth, the detailing won't show. So we use the same we use 0.01 now, not 0.02. Or should we, yeah, let's use 0.01, 0.01 here as well. So we are offsetting it by 0.01, 0.01. Because this is going to be a very small space, we might want to add put the color as we go. 0.01. Yeah. So that is done. We want to erase some part of this. Ctrl Z, zoom in properly. Use our pan tool so we can have been selected. It's not selecting, select this one. It's not selecting, use your eraser tool, then zoom in. Delete it off, delete this off, delete this off. So once we had a sort of black feel to that, we just take our paint buckets, we select our color. We want colors, scroll down, select black. Because once you use black for the detailing, and yeah, so we have that, such that when we now had the materials for the faces, that's the wood material that we are using finishing, we want it to look nice, to come out nice, not just, that's the whole point. So we'll do the same thing, we'll delete all of these lines. Yeah, so we're just painting it, then we had our colors. I think the detail is enough. The detail is cool. Yeah. So another thing is we will also divide this into, we're almost done actually. So we'll just position our point of view properly. Mhm. Same thing we want to do here. We want to give it a sort of depth. So we use our offset tool. We offset it by 0.01. Then offset the down one as well by 0.01. Same thing here. Yep. But let's note that the top of this, we will give a sort of depth, but we want to have a sort of material on top of it. So let's just use this first for the detailing we want to have in the middle here. Delete the middle lines, delete the middle lines. We're gonna add our black on this. It's looking nice. Yep. Then we can now divide it. There's no point dividing. Let's just leave it this way. Okay. So for the center table, what we want to have is, it's pretty simple. It's not too complex. So we'll just offset this a little bit. Yep. Zoom in, and then we join this downward. We join it here as well, and then we erase the down and push this inward a little bit. Yeah, it will come together very soon. We're almost done with our modeling. Yep, that's pretty much it. So once I have a sink in here, so we just use our rectangle to depict a sink on the surface here. Escape should be closer to this. Yeah, let's just pull it inward a little bit. So depicted that there. There's something we can actually do for our edges to make it look nicer, but for the sake of this tutorial, we won't be doing that. So here we want to push this inward. So this is an open. So open cabinet, we'll do 0.9. Yep. And then we'll push it inward as well, 0.9. Cool, cool, cool. I want to divide this. So we'll just use our midpoint here and repeat the whole process of offsetting. If this is not working and you don't want to mess up what you've done, just come here, click on it, right click, divide it into two, then use your pencil, take it from here all the way there. Ctrl Z is not dividing it properly. From here, select your. Still the same thing. Why is this working this way? Yep. So we have it. We can then offset to ensure that our detailings are coming off. But before we offset, we want to divide this as well into 3. We'll divide this into 3. Take our pencil, we'll look for the edge, then straight down, we'll look for the edge, straight down. Good. And here we just want to divide it into 2. But before we do that, we want to sort of take out the space for our refrigerator here. So we'll be doing that by taking the space this way. We'll offset it a little bit to give it depth. And we'll add detail to the depth later. Let's just cut this off because we want to push this inward by 0.9 so that when we import our refrigerator from the 3D model, from the 3D warehouse, it fits inside. So let's just add the detail here and then use our push and pull tool by 0.9, 0.9. Yep, we're good. We are good. Yes, 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 yes. So all that is left right now is to populate this with materials and import props like cups, pots, coffee maker, and the like lights and everything. Okay. So right now we'll be using two materials in this model. First one is we'll be using three materials actually, but so we would have a sort of marble here. Let's just do our push and pull tool. What is wrong with this? Yeah. So select this, we push and pull it up a little bit. And then we click on control while we are doing that. So we push and pull it up by 0.05, 0.05. And then we'll do the same thing for this, using this as a reference. And we'll bring this out a little bit. Escape. Then we'll do our push and pull through again. Bring this out because we don't want that. We want it to just be a plane. We don't want it to extend outward. And we do the same for this. So we just want it to come out a little bit. Okay. So we've done that now. Just zoom out, 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 zoom out. Then zoom in. Bam. Oh, we've not done our offset yet. So let's just offset this once by 0.03 escape, offset, escape, which was at 0.03. Mm-hmm. 0.03, and we're done with that. So what we need to do here is just erase out the center line such that when we put our fill, everything comes together. So let's just paint this black. I'll just pick my color from here. Yep. Yeah. So want to add wood to some part of this. Yeah. So this is wood, this is wood. The inner walls are wood. And then we'll make it glossy. We'll do that in VBA. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, or you can just pan, come back in. Yep. Take our colors, heart that, yeah. So we've not added offset to this. So the detailing wouldn't show. 0.02, 0.02, delete the dividing walls, delete, delete, and then let's just tick color black and add to this. Yeah, we'll just pick these colors and add to that. I think that is that. So the beauty of this now is we want to sort of have this wall transparent. So what I'll do now is I'll just use my rectangle tool. I pick it from here, come here, pick it this way. Then I'll go and select glass. I'll add to this. Then I come this way, add glass, 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 and glass to this. Hmm. Okay, let me move this forward. I think it's not doing what I wanted to do. Okay, you know what we'll do is Ctrl Z, select this face, we'll hide it. Then we add the glass to this walls inside, 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 and inside. Okay, then we can now cover off these ones such that they don't show as holo when we render. Okay, so let's pick this. I think we're so let's just make this one's wood. Selecting a wood color. Yeah. So let me just on height. Right. Already eat. Okay. Just select this way on hide everything. So it's now glass. You can see through, but you can see the woods. Yeah, pretty much what I want to achieve there. So that done, the next thing is to add a sort of marble on this tiles, basically. So let's just go to tiles. What type of tiles are we using? Um, so we're using this. Just place it. Same thing we're using on the ground. We want to sort of edit it and increase the size. 0.6 is not what we want, so let's just do 2 meter by 2 meter. Is that okay? No, let's do 4 meter. Is that really okay? Yeah, is that looking like what I want? Yeah, let's do 6 meter. Really. I think 4 meter works. Let's just leave it this way. So the same material we will select and then add here, add here, sort of like all around the table. Yeah. So the other material we'll be using, it's basically more like a reflective metal kind of thing. So let's just do that right now. Where is my metal? Mhm. Something shiny. Yep. So let's just place this. We'll edit the color and make it darker in a minute. Yep. Okay, good and fine. Then we select this color and we add it here. Mm-hmm. There's all missing. Okay, we need to put our tiles on this part of it, and then we need our wood color on this part of it. Yeah, so we're good now. So let's just edit this color now, make it a little bit darker. So we'll just take it down, take it down, take it down, take it down, take it down. Tone it down, tone it down, tone it down, tone it down. Yeah, that is it. We're good. So the main things we'll be doing is to add our models to add tables, to add yeah. So let's just do that. Should we use Cosmos or 3D warehouse? Let's use our Cosmos. So let's just click on Cosmos. Let's click on Cosmos. All right, guys. Thank you very much for joining us. Please do subscribe to the channel because we'll be having these sessions. The plan is to have it on a daily basis, but we'll try as much as possible to ensure that we keep to it by 8 p.m. every day. We'll design something, we'll come up with something as such that you guys can learn. For the students that have paid, we really appreciate you guys. You can send a message on the platform any day, anytime, so we can attend to you and ensure that you have the best value for your money. So thank you very much. Do subscribe, like the videos, and turn on the notification bell. See you guys